Good morning, students. Today we're going to have our topic in Unit 8. It's all about time. First, we are going to have words to spell. The first word is clock. Clock. Spell the word clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Next, time. Time. T-I-M-E. Time. Next word we have shorthand. Shorthand. S-H-O-R-T. Short. H-A-N-D. Hand. Shorthand. Next we have month. Month. M-O-N-T-H. Month. Next, calendar. Calendar. C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. Calendar. Next, we have watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Next, o'clock. O'clock. O-C-L-O-C-K. O'clock. Next, we are going to have the parts of the clock. So the first part is we have face. So this is the face of the clock. Next, we have the short hand and long hand. Now we are going to find out what is the purpose of the short hand and the long hand. Okay, short hand is for hour. Okay, so this is the short hand. So it is for the hour. Next, we have long hand. Long hand is for minute. So as you can see, our clock is, what time is it? Okay, the short hand is pointing to number 10. So that is 10. And our long hand is pointing to number 2. So we are going to count by 5. So this one is for the minute only. This one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So our long hand is pointing to number 2, so that is 10. Our short hand is pointing to number 10. So our time is 10, 10. Okay, next, we are going to have the parts of the clock. So the clock is divided into 4 equal parts. First, if the long hand is pointing to number 12, meaning it is o'clock. Next, if the long hand is pointing to 3, meaning that is quarter past. If the long hand is pointing to number 6, that is half past. And if the long hand is pointing to 9, that is quarter to. We are going to tackle this one further next meeting. But first, we are going to have some review. Okay, how many hands does the clock have? Again, how many hands does a clock have? So our answer is, a clock has 2 hands. Next, number 2. What does each hand show? Our answer is, short hand shows hour and long hand shows minute. Number 3. How many equal parts is the face of the clock divided into? Again, how many equal parts is the face of the clock divided into? So our answer is 4 equal parts. So what are those? We have o'clock, quarter past, half past, and quarter to. We are done the topic about clock. We will going to continue next time. See you again. Be safe.